Hello and welcome to today's daily analysis. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. Plenty of people that are watching aren't subscribed, or most of you aren't subscribed. So please subscribe before we get into it. All right, so today, as you know, the past few days, our bias has been longs to try and fill this gap just in here, okay? So on the 4 hour, we bounced off here, even though it's not that clear because I've got so many words in there, but we bounced off here, which means that we're targeting this, okay? So our bias has been longs and today is no different, all right? So just this morning, we got a break of structure just here, okay? So that means that we are in a bullish market and we're going to be trying to take trades off this 3-minute zone just down here. I'll just zoom in so you can see that nice and clearly. This 3-minute zone down here, okay? I'll get rid of this. So what we're going to hope happens is we would love to see a reversal down in price, play into here, a 5-minute rejection out, and then go, okay? And then we would hopefully catch it about here, 4 pip stop, or it might be a bit higher just to make sure you catch the lows. And then you're targeting your 3 risk to reward, okay? That's what I'm personally going to be looking for. Again, if we get another break of structure just here and a break there, we would then be looking for probably this zone just here to be respected, because that will then become a protected low. So we'd be taking trades off of here, so price come back down and then go, okay? So overall, our bias is clearly bullish, so we're going to be wanting to take longs, and what we're going to, to get proven otherwise, if it breaks through here, we would then have to break below this low, okay? I'll just get rid of these to make it nice and clear. And then if that doesn't happen and we play down into our current zone, which is what we're looking for now, if we come down here and then we break through, just here is where we're going to change and we're going to be bearish, looking for trades that go like that, okay? So that's what we're going to be looking for today, all right? So just be patient. And remember that we're looking for longs, okay? So even if you're trading with the 15-minute or the 3-minute, you're going to be looking for longs regardless, okay? Because I think that's the highest probability play today. Just yesterday, quickly, we did have 3 trades. We had 1 loss and 2 wins. So the first one, we got a break of structure just here. It played back up into our zone, rejected. We got in and it killed us straight away. Which is fine, but again, we were going against the overall 4-hour chart, so maybe that was where we went wrong. We then got a change of character down here. Sorry, the change of character was up here, so we were then in a bullish market. It then played down into our zone that we marked. Then we got 1% out of it, which was good. We then got a further change of character to the downside this time, so we flipped our bias to bearish. And then we were able to enter here, and it went 3% that we got out of it. But yeah, could have easily obviously got the 1. Now, what that shows us is that overall, this trend is quite clearly, it's going up, isn't it? Okay. But we were able to get enter 2 trades yesterday that were bearish, and one of them was a win. So it shows that you've really got to just be reacting rather than predicting, okay? Anyway, so that's all for today. So remember that we're going long and we are going to be looking for this zone just here. Let me know how you go. Let me know if you've got any comments or questions. Happy to answer them. And yeah, if you're still here, make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends about it. And yeah, if you want some one-on-one help, let me know and we can sort out a Discord chat and I'll help you out.